Hi and hello again. Welcome back to my channel. And we are off again. This time, I have almost 3 weeks of off. So I will be traveling to four Asian countries, including the Philippines kasi uwi ako sa Philippines. After my shift, I went straight to the airport. Ang flight natin is 11 a.m. So I got a quick breakfast lang. And also, ang airlines natin na sasakyan today is Qatar Airways. And because of that, meron tayong layover sa Qatar. Ang flight duration natin is 12 hours and 15 minutes. Pero na-late ng konti ang departure time. Kaya naman, yung layover natin na 59 minutes ay nabawasan din. So ang ending, na-miss natin yung connecting flight natin papuntang Singapore. Doon tayo pupunta. Yun yung unang country na pupuntahan natin. Hindi na ako nag-rebook ng another flight since opportunity ko rin naman na ma-visit yung mga kaibigan ko dito sa Qatar. And binigyan din kami ng visa on arrival. Ang Qatar Airways ang nag-book sa amin ng hotel, and hindi lang din pala ako yung nakamiss ng flight. Marami din kami nakamiss ng flight. And kaya ang lesson learned doon ay dapat hindi gano'n kaiksi yung layover mo kasi malaki talaga yung chances na ma-miss mo yung flight mo. And good thing talaga since nami-miss ko na rin itong second home ko kasi way back 2018 kasama nung mga kaibigan ko, na-hire kami dito sa Qatar sa isa sa mga hospital nila. And even until now, sobrang grateful ko talaga sa country na to kasi they made us safe for 2 years and they gave us an endless opportunity to grow.
Nakakamiss naman doon. Alam mo, minsan na-miss ko talaga yung Doha.
Yung gala after ng trabaho. Dito ate, kahit after morning, ang dami mo nang pwedeng gawin eh. Pwede mo nga, evening ngayon, pwede.
This time around pala ay summer season dito sa Qatar, kaya grabe yung init nung panahon na yan. So if ever gusto nyo i-visit ang Qatar, I would suggest mga between October to March kayo pumunta. Although may mga outdoor air conditioning naman sila sa ibang mga public places, iba pa rin talaga yung init na mararamdaman mo dito. After a few hours na layover natin dito sa Qatar and nakapag-catch up tayo sa mga kaibigan natin and nakapag-quick nap na rin ako sa hotel, we are heading back now to the airport. Finally, we are back here na sa Doha International Airport. Ayan na yung famous na Yellow Bear. And wala din akong chinek in na luggage. Kaya mabilis lang din talaga yung process na nangyari. And at the same time, mabilis din yung immigration officer na nagpapasok sa akin. Ang flight ko from Doha to Singapore ay 7:55 p.m. Then ang dating ko sa Singapore ay 9 a.m. Around 8 hours and 15 minutes ang duration niya. Tinake advantage ko talaga yung 8 hours na flight ko kasi alam ko na pagdating ko sa Singapore, since morning nga ako dadating doon, we will not waste any time and mag-i-explore na kaagad tayo. Finally, we arrive at Changi International Airport. And pagdating ko sa airport, talaga naman sobrang na-amaze ako kung gaano kaganda yung airport nila. Sobrang bilis din lahat ng process nila, sobrang efficient. And hindi na ako nag-bus or train, nag-Uber na lang ako para diretso na siya sa hotel. Doon ko na din imi-meet yung best friend ko. Siya yung kasama ko sa travel ko na. Doon na kami nag-meet sa hotel namin and after mag-rest ng saglit, lumabas na kami. Kumain muna kami sa isa sa mga hawker center dito. After that, dumiretso na kami to explore the city. And syempre, ang una naming pinuntahan ay yung Merlion.
Go na.
Expected na talaga na madami ang tourist dito. And it's actually part of the travel na kung pupuntahan mo ay isang tourist spot, kahit na minsan kahit na pumunta ka ng sobrang aga, madami na talagang tourist na nandun na.
come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do what you gotta do. I feel it in my bones like you'll come along now. Baby, you coming through. Do what you gotta do. Take it to the big scene, take it all. Go for hope and glory. Go, go long. Baby, for love, go all for love. We're going for love. For beating hearts off the charts. Love, go all for love. We're going for love. Baby, going for love. Baby, for love. I bet you'll get it right, but don't get me wrong. Say what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say. Go like a
Good thing talaga, walkable din itong Singapore. Pero need mo lang na mag-prepare ng handheld electric pamaypay or pamaypay itself kasi mainit talaga dito sa Singapore. Meron palang malaking mall na malapit dyan sa Marina Bay Sands and dyan na rin kami kumain ng lunch namin before kami pumunta sa my Gardens by the Bay.
You're never here when my tears dry. You're never around to see me thrive. When it's my birthday or my day off, you got other plans and can't show up. But when life deals me a hand, all of a sudden you're the first to come. Always there to help and listen. You're just a friend when I come undone. I have to fall apart to get to see you again. You only have a heart.
We're only here for 2 days and 3 nights, and for me, it's actually not enough. However, we'll just make the most out of it since may mga ibang countries pa kami na gustong puntahan. Dahil nga may kasama naman ako sa travel ko na to, hindi ako nagwo-worry na nasa labas ako in the middle of the night, and at the same time, sobrang safe din naman dito talaga sa Singapore. Kaya kahit na alas 10 na, alas 11 na ng gabi, okay lang na nasa labas pa kami.
To fall apart to get to see you again. You only have a heart when mine is bleeding. Some kind of friend. If I would win the lottery, you wouldn't be happy for me. But if I blew it all in one day, you'd be there to hug my pain away.
Parang bumagal siya.
The next day, ang pinaka-agenda talaga namin ay puntahan yung famous na photo spot dito sa Fort Canning, yung Spiral Staircase. Grabe din yung pila dyan, napakahaba kahit na sobrang aga na namin dumating. Tsinagana lang talaga namin na hintayin yung turn namin na makapagpa-picture. Minsan kasi talaga, group by group yung mga nakapila na magpapapicture sila at the same time magsusolo picture pa. Kaya dapat, pag turn mo na, ibigay mo na talaga yung best angle mo. And again, don't forget to bring a portable electric fan kasi sobra yung init dyan kahit umaga na. And kung pawisin ka din, bring extra clothes and also bring some water. Bago kami pumunta sa next destination namin, kumain muna kami ng lunch para meron naman kaming energy for our next activity. After nating kumain, need naman nating i-burn lahat ng calories na yan. Kaya tara na at maglakad ulit
Tapos
tayo.
na ano ko, no?
Malulula ka din sa mga escalators nila dito. Yung iba kasi napaka-steep and at the same time din, ma-amaze ka kasi ang linis, ang ayos. Although, medyo nasa pricier side lang itong Singapore. Pero nakadepende naman siya how you're gonna travel.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than any space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years.
The rest of the day, nag-explore lang talaga kami around the city, kung saan-saan lang kami pumupunta. And wala talaga kaming specific na itinerary. Kung ano lang gusto naming puntahan, na feeling namin maganda, yun yung pupuntahan namin. We also tried yung ice cream on a bread nila. I also got yung durian flavor. Alam ko yung iba ayaw sa durian, pero ako sobrang love na love ko talaga yung lasa niya. I can eat it all day. Durian? Umuwi muna kami sa hotel para makapag-rest, magpalit ng damit, and at the same time makapag-refresh kasi almost the whole day na ata kami naglalakad. After namin magpahinga, we went out again to get some dinner and bumalik kami sa may Marina Bay para makita naman yung view niya at night. I was craving for fish and pork, kaya yan naman yung kinuha kong dinner. Yan pala yung pinaka-lobby ng hotel yan, yung pinagstayhan namin sa Singapore. Ito na yung last day namin sa Singapore, and since pupunta naman kami sa airport, inagahan na namin na pumunta doon, and ito na rin yung opportunity namin to visit the Jewel Rain Vortex. Kahit saang terminal area ka man sa may Changi Airport, madaming ways para makapunta ka sa may Rain Vortex. Itong Rain Vortex ay nasa Terminal 1, yung pinaka-location niya. And also, ito pala yung pinaka-largest and tallest indoor waterfall around the world. Nag-lunch muna kami before pumunta sa may immigration area nila. Sa sobrang tuwa ko talaga sa bilis ng immigration process nila. Sabi ko talaga dun sa isang officer, I'm just so grateful na yung service niyo is so fast. Tapos natuwa naman siya. Since marami pang time bago dumating yung plane namin, pinuntahan namin tong Baka or Batcha Coffee Shop. Nasa may Terminal 1 lang din to. Ang ganda talaga nung coffee store nila. Very elegant yung design. Tapos madami ding mga choices ng coffee. At the same time, meron ding pastries. Kaya na-enjoy ko din talaga yung experience na to. Nakakatuwa talaga yung color combination nitong batcha coffee na to. At the same time, nasarapan din naman ako sa coffee nila.
May kutsara.
Kasi ano mo nga. Ooh. Super.
Sayang ang dami.
Mamaya. Anhin natin. Yan. Tapos, pero paano siya matutunaw sa'yo kung hindi ka hot na ano?
Ako tutunan.
And ito yung sugar. Tinapon daw. Tikman nga natin.
Hindi naman siya natutunan.
Feeling ko matutunaw pa rin naman siya.
Kahit na sobrang bilis ng stay namin dito sa Singapore, na-enjoy ko naman siya. And at the same time, may reason ka pa para bumalik ulit.